Greetings traders, it is Wednesday, May 23rd, 2018, and I'm going to get started trading here soon. It is 7:26 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, California time, and the news is going to come out in 4 minutes from now. And we'll see what it does. And I'm going to use what I call a Newsday entry, which is like a code 2 for the Newsday. So anyway, I will be back once I've taken the entry. Okay, I've got a long position here. I'll be right back. I'm going to reset the stop. Okay, stop is at 71.18. Going for 30 ticks. I might go for 40 on this trade. I'll come back. We'll see how bullish it wants to get here. This entry and trade was called out in advance before it would ever even happen within my charting service. Okay, my exit is set up here to 62. We'll see how much it wants to move up here. 62 on the charts right here. Should make it up there, no problem. But whether it'll make it up to 72, I mean 72, I'm not sure. It probably will, but the math will be reduced a little bit on that trade. But we'll see. See how much it wants to move up here. I'll come back. But the charting service, analyzing this, the trade only supports a 30 tick trade. 40 ticks is about what it does, and sometimes less. So 30 ticks would be appropriate. However, this is a special day. The oil went down 80 ticks at the news today. Here's the chart right here. Here's the 10 minute. Went down 80 ticks. So it's going to make an opposing, a pretty good move. Whether it'll do 40 ticks or not, I'm not sure. It probably will. Probably will do 40 ticks, but it's pushing it a little bit, and I don't really need to push it from 30 to 40. 30 ticks is still good. So this is just about making successful trades and doing it over and over again. It's basically what this is about, and not trying to push the mathematics too much. So anyway, I'm probably just going to keep the 30, but if it gets really bullish here, I'll go for the 40. Anyway, I'll come back. By the way, just to show the daily, you can see where we are here. We're bouncing off a bottom, off of a red bar, and so we're going against it right here. Newsday entry is given an entry to go against that daily right there, to pop back up again. Anyway, I'll come back. By the way, all of my charting subscribers, assuming they are trading today, and following exactly the code, the Newsday entry, all of them would be in right where I am. Everybody. So we're all going long here. We're all in at the same price, and we're looking for 30 ticks. That's why I said to go for. So I'll come back. See it coming down here a little bit, but it's going to go back up. Okay, it's getting close to the exit here already. I'm going to go for more ticks. Let's go for an extra 10. Take it up to 72. 62 would be my exit. I'll be ready to get out at that point manually if needed. But it may just shoot up there and hit 72 up there. So let's see, yep, 72. So anyway, I'll come back. Okay, almost 62 there. That's my original 30 tick exit. I believe it just hit it. Yeah, I think it hit 62, or maybe 63. It just hit it right there. That would be 30 ticks right there. I'm going for 40, going up to 72. Getting ready to get out at any second here. Any second. One more move up. Come on. Just get a little bit more move up here and jump out. It's going to come really close to the exit. Not sure it will actually hit though. Come on, one more time, go up. Okay, I'll jump out right here. Alright, so almost 30 ticks right there, and I'm out. I may take another trade here. I'll come back if I feel like taking another trade. Otherwise, I do have another trade that I can take. But that was what I call the news day entry right there. I called to go for 30 ticks. Everybody that is in my charting service should all have hit that trade, just like I hit it. So easy, so simple to do. Anyway, I'll come back. I might take another trade. If not, I'll still come back and wrap this video up. Okay, so I'm gonna call it a night here. Easy day, quick 29 ticks, and I will be back tomorrow to do some more trading, and of course to do the charting service to predict Thursday's trade. Anyway, I hope you traders are doing well out there, especially you charting subscribers and you code traders. Happy trading.